Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is Rizwan. So today I'm going to show you how you do the order from AliExpress as a customer or as a dropshipping order. So what you will do, you will just go on to aliexpress.com, and so you will have to create an account. So what you will do is you will just take your mouse onto the account over here, and then you will click on join. Just select your country location, enter the email address, password, and click on create account. Once you do that, it should be asking you for your first name, last name, re-enter the password, and enter the verification code to make sure you're a human. And then once you confirm all of that, you will receive an email to confirm that it's you who's creating the AliExpress account. Just confirm all of that. So once that's done, then you should be able to sign in. So you'll just click on sign in. Again, like go on to the account over in here and click on sign in. It will open up this little window, this little box. So you'll just make sure that it's selected on sign in, enter your email address, password, click on sign in. So once that's done, then it will show you that you are logged in into your account over in here, and then you can just like go on and whatever the item you want to select, you can just select the item. So let's say in this case I have selected this product, dashboard phone holder for car. So like let's say you have selected this product, you like it, and you went through its video, some pictures, and you're going to order this. So let's say that in the style you have selected curved rod style, and you just want one of it, so quantity will be one, and you will just click on either add to cart or buy now. It will most probably take you to the screen where you will enter all the details. So you will click on buy now. So it's definitely asking me for the account to sign in, so I will just do that in a minute. Okay, so I'm signed in, and because I already clicked on buy now, so it has taken me to this screen where it's asking me to put all the details and make sure everything is correctly entered over in here. So you will enter your shipping information, and instead of select other addresses, because my address box is full, so if you're ordering for the first time on AliExpress, it could like show you to enter your address. So you will click on enter your address. Make sure you enter the complete shipping information, your your name, your phone number, street address, city, province, country, and postal code. So make sure everything is correct. And then the next thing is payment methods. So instead of change, if you're ordering it for the first time from AliExpress, it could show you select payment method. So you will just go on in there, and then it will be showing you a couple of different methods like PayPal, credit card, any other different options. So you'll select it from there, and then so in my case it's PayPal, so that's all set up. And in order review, it will show you this is the item that you're ordering. It's showing you the style, and then it's shipping from China, of course, and the quantity. Just make sure whatever quantity you're ordering, that's showing up in here, in this case one. And the other important thing is in the shipping method, in this case it's just one, so it's pre-default selected to AliExpress standard shipping. But normally what happens, there are a couple of different shipping methods. So once you click on this section for shipping, click on in here somewhere, and as soon as you click on in here somewhere, it will show you a couple of different shipping methods, in which like in some shipping methods there it takes quite a while to reach that product to you or your customers. So you'll make sure that you're selecting the most economical shipping method with the fastest shipping time. In my experience, three shipping methods are popular and people usually select any one of those. So one is AliExpress standard shipping, second is EMS, and third is ePacket. So you can select either one of them in my experience and in my suggestion, and just make sure that you're just matching the shipping time and the price of the shipping. And so once you have selected that, like let's say in this case it's showing up a couple of different shipping methods, and I have selected AliExpress standard shipping, which is free in this case, but normally or in most cases it will show you the cost in here, $4 to $5, but it also depends on the item that you're ordering. So you have selected the shipping method, click on apply, and it will select that shipping method. Now the other important thing is this section, leave message. So once you click on that, it will open up a box in here where you can write your message down, like instructions for the seller, supplier, to like whatever you want to write down in here, for the shipper, seller to like make sure that the item is packaged like this, or whatever details you can enter in here, you can enter in here for the supplier, shipper. And then once that's done, you can just check if there are any store coupons. Most probably you will have some, because if you're creating a new account, then it could be showing you some coupons in here. I'm an old account holder, so that's why it's not showing up anything. So and promo code, if you have anything in here, for here, you can just enter it and apply. Once that's all done, you will just make sure that the total price is whatever you are willing to pay. That's showing over in here, and then just click on this button. In my case, it's showing PayPal because that's my payment method. In your case, if you have selected the credit card or any other different method, that could be showing up in here, in this area. So you'll just click on this button and the order will go through. You will receive a couple of emails, like 1 or 2 or 3 emails that you have ordered, order is good to go, order is confirmed. What happens in a couple of minutes, AliExpress tries to verify the payment information and makes sure that payment is verified, order is good to go. And then once the supplier receives the order, then they will just prepare the order and ship it. So the main difference is in drop shipping is, like let's say you received an order on your website from a customer, and it's let's say it's for this item. So the main difference is in the shipping information, you will enter that customer's shipping information, like customer's name, phone number, street address, city, province, country, postal code. It should be 100% correct. And the other thing is in the message box, you will put a drop shipping note. So I've already prepared one and always use that. So but you can also prepare your own. So what I have prepared, I'll just read it to you so it's more clear. It says, I'm dropshipping. Please do not put any invoices, QR codes, promotions, or your brand name logo in the shipments. Please ship as soon as possible for repeat business. Thank you. So, and I will just show you where to put that in again. So copy, and in this box I just use Control V, or you can just like click on paste. So just make sure that drop shipping note is in here. That's the indication that the supplier or shipper will know that this is a drop shipping order. So they'll make sure that it's prepared according to a drop shipping order, which you have put the instructions over in this message box. So once that's done, simply the same thing, you will just like after confirming everything from here that is 100% correct, then you can just click on this button and the order will go through. So that's how drop shipping order is done from AliExpress. And so in the next video I will definitely try to show you that how the orders are received in the Shopify store, and also a little bit more about Shopify, like how you can create the account, add the products, and like there are different apps that you can also add in the Shopify store. So I'll guide you a little bit about that. So yeah, I think that's about it for now. Please do like, comment, share, follow, and subscribe. And definitely, if you have anything to feedback on, definitely do that in the comment section. That will be really helpful. Thank you very much. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye.